You're watching Xavi's Brix. Brix.
Today I'm going to be building this end battle Lego set.
Hi, I'm Lyra. I'll be walking Xavi through the video.
Now I'm going to open it. Now it's time to take out the bags. Now it's time to open the bags. Open the instructions. Rip the bag number 1 open. Rip the little bag. Now sort the pieces so I can see them. Now build the minifigures. And now I'm making the second minifigure with all the armor and shield. Now I'm making the shulker, which this is the first time they've ever made a shulker in Lego Minecraft. This is the newest mob. Well, besides the lay that they're making and the ward. Now I'm going to be building the lava in the middle, and there's going to be a mechanism in the build where there's a lever at the end of the build, and you pull it, and the bottom of it falls apart, and you fall in the lava.
What's your mechanism?
The machine. You pull it, and both sides separate, and the players fall into lava. Now I'm going to be making more of the piece. Now I'm starting to make the mechanism. Can you see some of the techniques I'm using?
Yeah!
Now I'm speed mode. I can build fast. Well, I've been like that, but I'm building faster.
Not fair.
Now I'm going to be making the parts of the levers that make the mechanism move.
The lever.
It's a lever. Now I'm going to be making the other half of the side. The other side of the lever that's connecting to the longer
Okay.
or lever or whatever you want to say. Now, and by the way, this is the first time my sister Lyra is with me. Now I'm going to start building the top of it, like the upper floor. And I'm making the end crystals too. You know those things in the end where you go to the end battle? There's these crystals, they explode when you hit them.
Yeah, the crystals. And you can use arrows to explode them too.
Shoot. Now I'm on bag 2. Now I'm making the second player. Now it's done. Now I'm making the Enderman holding the end stone. You know, I'm confused. The end stone when you're building is just regular tan, but when you put it in Enderman's hand, it's tan and light orange.
Why do Endermans pick up rocks?
You never know. Oh, because they used to be people. Now I'm making the horse fruit, and now I'm making the ender dragon. The little ender dragon. Do you see it on the box? They shoot the lava. This used to be before the end, and there was an ender dragon. This used to be the end arena battle before the ender dragon came. So players would have to battle each other to win.
So I see now.
Now I'm going to start making the eyes and the other mechanism that shoots at the lava. Oh, that felt weird. I'm touching its eyes. Now, I just have to put this head on and bing bong.
Why do you keep on saying mechanism?
Because I can. Don't forget to wait for it. See? Did you see me pull the lever? Now I'm just going to put that potion in golden carrot right there. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Or else a scorpion will crawl on you while you're sleeping.